Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. Mine's doing pretty darn good. If you read from my title, we will be unboxing this big mystery box by Lunar Beauty. If you don't know, that is Manny Mua's brand. This is the big boy. This is the, I think it was called the Full Moon box. This was $140. If you want to see, is this worth 140 bucks? Just keep on watching. All right, let me tell you a little bit about this. So I believe it was Thanksgiving. Manny had launched 3 mystery boxes, the small, the medium, and the large. I got the large one, which was $140. And let me tell you how Mr. Manny suckered me in, because on his site, he has Afterpay. So I was like, all right, I'll just do Afterpay. That's how he suckered me in. So Manny Mua, thank you so much for helping me with my shopping addiction. All right, but no, the real reason why I did get this is because I love his formula. I have his eyeshadow palettes. I've tried his highlighters, his lipsticks, his lip gloss. And I really think Lunar Beauty is really underrated. I just really like it. And I figured anything I get that I already have, I will just put in a future giveaway or maybe in today's giveaway. We shall see. All right, so I did open this up and because I thought there was like a box inside of it, but it's not. So let me show you what it looks like when you do open it up. So I have a table right there. So it looks like this. And then everything is in here. So I have a table right here because it's pretty heavy. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. And then if I do have any extras in here, what I'll do is I'll show you what everything's in here. And then I'll go get the ones that I have and do the swatches so I can put these ones in a giveaway. All right. The first thing, and I have never tried his merch, is a sweatshirt, I think, or a hoodie. I got this in the size large right there. And it has a moon on there. If you don't know, Manny is an Aries. I'm Aries. We were both born in April. My birthday's April 6th. I'm not sure what his birth, like the day is. So he does a lot of things with the moon and, you know, all that stuff. All right, let's see what it looks like. And this actually feels pretty good. Let's see if it's like, because you never know when you order, it's going to be too big, too small. And I like mine a little bit big. All right, so let me see. Let me look at you. It looks like, I don't know, it might just fit. I'll have to try it on and see. But that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's not real thick, but it's not real thin, which I kind of like that. So I live in Jersey, so I would probably wear this as a piece of clothing, you know, not as like a jacket. But all right, so far, so good. I think it's really pretty, very well made, and I'm extremely happy to get one of his merchandise. All right, the next thing I see are these 2 highlighters. I do own 2 of his highlighters, so let's see which ones this is. This is in, let's see, what shade are you? Would you be? Juniper. I don't know if you guys can read that up there because it's very light. And then this is in Mars. I forget which one I have. I think I have the Mars one. But like I said, I'll just open it up and show you what it looks like. I won't do any swatches. I love the way his packaging is. You see, it's like a crescent. And then you would pull it out like this. I mean, his packaging is off the chain. I love his packaging. And look at that, guys. I know for these, I think his like inspiration was like Sailor Moon. I remember him saying, and so, oh, the piece fell. Yeah, I don't have this one, and it's looks like this. So this one will go in a giveaway. I'm not going to swatch it, but I do have the other one, which I will get the other one and swatch it so you can see what these are. It's really good quality. All right, let's put this puppy back. All right. And then this is in Mars. And like I said, after I get done unboxing it, I'll go get mine so I can show you. All right. The next thing are these right here. So I believe, is this his new one? This is from his newest collection, I believe, Moonspell. I'm pretty sure. So how exciting is that to get a brand new collection? Get his lipsticks. Okay, so this is in Wicked and this is in Enchantment. So let me show you what they look like. Like I said, look at this packaging, guys. So beautiful. Come on. All right, so yeah, I don't have this one, which I'll probably put this in a giveaway because I won't wear black lipstick, but maybe one of you guys will. But let me just show you again his packaging. I mean, look at that. It's like a little crystal in here. So pretty. But I know I keep saying it. I'm not being an ass kisser. I'm really serious. I love his formula. All right, so this is an enchantment. So let's see. I'm not sure if I have this one or not. I have to look at it. Come on. Yeah, this is the clear lip gloss. I believe I have this one. If I do, I will put it in a giveaway. So that's pretty cool. And then this is from his Strawberry Dream, his summer collection right here. And this is in Dreamsicle. Oh, I just ripped your box if I do have this one. Okay, and there we go. So pretty. Again, all of them have that little crystal, which I think is so pretty. All right, let's put that back for now. All right, what else we got? Oh my God, there's still more lipsticks. What? All right, this is again from the Strawberry Dream. This is in the shade Dreamy. I think I do have this one. Let's see. Okay, so this is a lip gloss, I believe. So pretty. Yeah, because his lip glosses, I believe, have the white up top. And then last but not least, this is from his Greek Goddess collection. And this is in the shade Aphrodite. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I don't think I have this one. So gorgeous. But like I said, I'm going to double check everything. And then if I do have them, I'll swatch mine. And if I don't have them, then I'll swatch these. So stay tuned towards the end. All right. So 5 lipsticks. That is really, really good. All right. Then we have something in here. I think it's a palette. Yes, I have this one. So this will go in a giveaway. I think I'll do a giveaway in today's video. This is gorgeous. Again, I'll go get mine so I don't have to open this one up when I'm done unboxing. All right, what else? Oh my God, there is still like a lot more. This just fell out when I have it. This is the Greek Goddess. I think I have this one as well. You guys are going to love this so much. His formula is amazing. Look at that. Look at that packaging, guys. I opened it up and I said I wouldn't, but I just wanted to show you this because I definitely know I have it, but look at that, guys. So pretty. Let me put that right back. All right, so far, there's definitely going to be 2 eyeshadow palettes and definitely a highlighter. All right, last but not least, this is empty, looks like a makeup bag. Let's see. I know I don't have this, so this I'll keep for myself. Oh, okay, yep, so right here it says the Manny Mua. It has that little, see if I could take this off. I'll take that off after the video, but it has that. And then right here, says Manny Mua. So let's open it up. Oh my God, this is gorgeous, guys. Look at this. It has all compartments in it. I love that, especially if you're a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup artist, you know, but this is so nice. Look, you can put your lipsticks in there. And then you close that. And again, you have a zipper. You have a little thing in here. You can put like your foundations in. Little zipper in there. I love this. I think this is my favorite thing. This, I think, is definitely worth $140. Oh my God, I really do. So let's recap what we got in this mystery box. So we have the makeup bag. We have 5 lipsticks. I think is amazing. I believe these are like $17 or $18 a piece right there. We have 2 highlighters, which I think these are like $25 or $26 a piece. So right there, this is like what, $50 or $52 for this. And we have to eyeshadow palettes. I think this is probably my favorite, the best mystery box I've ever purchased. I really, really do. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth $140? And like I said, with his brand, Lunar Beauty, which I'll leave the site down below, he has Afterpay. So I think that's amazing. All right. Hold on, guys. I'm going to go see which ones I have and what I don't. And like I said, I will show you mine so you can see the swatches and stuff. And then we will have a giveaway in today's video. So I will be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. That took me a minute because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I had to go through all of them. All right, so let me show you what I found. So here are the two highlighters that I do own from Lunar. I own from Lunar Beauty. So this is Mercury, which was not in here, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So pretty. This is like a white champagne color. Let me show you. It's so pretty, guys. Right here. I mean, look at that. And then this is Mars. Okay, so I do have the Mars. So Mars and Jupiter will go in this giveaway. This is like a peachy color. Oh, this is so pretty too. Look at that. So pretty. Right there. All right. So in today's giveaway, you will be getting Juniper because Juniper is a little too dark for me, but you guys can use it as an eyeshadow if it's too dark for you. And Mars. Mars is that peachy color. So let me put this, I'm going to put this on this table here. All right. The two palettes that we got was the Strawberry Dream and Greek Goddess. That will be in today's giveaway as well because let me show you. I have the Greek Goddess and the Strawberry Dream. I also have his Life's a Drag, Moon Spell, and then I have the Greek Goddess highlighter palette, which is amazing. That's another reason why I'm giving away those highlighters as well. All right, so let's show you what these look like. So this is the Greek Goddess, which I showed you that, and it's gorgeous. Guys, these shadows are so easy to blend. Let me just swatch it, and they feel so buttery. Like, I don't think his brand gets enough recognition. I mean, look at that, guys. Let me just swatch a couple for you. And like I said, they blend so nice. And they're buildable. And that's what I like about his brand because they're buildable. They're pigmented, but they're not too pigmented where like if you mess up, you know, but you can definitely build them up. So Greek Goddess will go in a giveaway. And this is the Strawberry Dream. This was a summer collection. Wait till I show you this. Look at this, guys. Let me do a couple swatches too. And I love the moons right there. I actually have an extra one that I'm going to put in a future giveaway. But this one will, I mean, oh my God. Let's swatch a blue. Look at this. This one here, right here, is more of like a topper. But it's so pretty, guys. Love that. So I wanted to show you that so I didn't open up your packaging. The Moon Spell, I really, really like this one. This is his newest collection. Let me just show you what that looks like. Look, it goes out like a book. I mean, look at his packaging, guys. Look, it looks just like a book. When you open it up, oh, look at this. So pretty. All right, I just wanted to show you that. And if you don't know, this is what his Life's a Drag. I believe this was his first palette. And that's what that looks like. All right. So the lipsticks that I found that I do have the same of, I have Wicked, Dreamy, and Enchantment. So those will be going into the giveaway. Right? No. I have Wicked, Dreamy, and Dreamsicle. So Wicked will be going into the giveaway. What else? Dreamy and the Dreamsicle, which I did rip the thing. So I apologize on that. I ripped it, but I did not swatch it. All right, let's You know what I'll do is I'll switch the boxes because I have one still in the box that's not ripped. All right, let me just show you this, guys. Look at how the doe foot is. And my God, they all smell so good. Look at that. That is gorgeous, guys. So pretty. Okay, that was Dreamsicle. And then Dreamy, that you guys will be getting, is this lip gloss. So pretty. And that's what it looks like. It's just a lip gloss. I don't even know if that'll show up. Love it. And then this was the Wicked one. Like I said, this is his newest collection. Oh, I did get the black one. Why would I purchase? I think I got the whole bundle. That's why. So I already have one. We'll just swatch it anyway. I wonder why I got the black one. Like I said, it probably came because it was all in the bundle. And it's black right there. That's funny. All right. So that's that. So again, let me recap real quick what will be in today's giveaway. So we have Wicked, Dreamy, and Dreamsicle. We have the two, what do you call it, highlighters in Mars and Jupiter. And then we have the two eyeshadow palettes in Greek Goddess and Strawberry Dream. You guys will love that. I'll put on the screen right here or right here when the giveaway will end, since I don't have a calendar out. The only thing you have to do, guys, is be subscribed, rate the video, so either like the video or dislike the video. What else? And leave a comment. Let me know how your day is. Let me know what you think of Lunar Beauty. Have you tried Lunar Beauty? Have you not? Do you think this was worth it? The mystery box, $140? Let me know. Like I said, don't forget that he does have Afterpay. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate the video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. So let me know if you like it or not. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.